It's USDCHF chart for H4 time frame. From this chart we are making here one trend line. It's a horizontal support area just now. It's another support area. It is 200 EMA. 200 EMA act as a uptrend, indicate uptrend market. From this uptrend market we are searching only for buy. So another M pattern. From this M pattern we will expect that market will go up here after here. So it is our buying area. It is our buy area. So it is a good time for making buy after this area. After this area, that means 9.9950, and it is our stop loss area. Now we can make a buy just now.